Hi all, this is Dr. J at 11 streaming to you live from Long Island, New York. I promised you a mid-morning Dow Jones report and other markets, and that's exactly what we're going to do. Let's go to the videotape and take a quick peek at the Dow. The Dow is now moving up, and it's forming a tiny little green candle above the close, which I like. It's continuing to show upward momentum. I see no reason why we can't take out the highs of January 26,616 on 126. So I'm very pleased with the movement in the Dow to breaking the trend line. It's much nicer feeling to say I'm bullish than to say I'm bearish. I don't like shorts. I don't like to short stocks. I don't like to short markets. But you got to call them the way you see them. And prior to about a week ago, I was calling for a sideways movement in the Dow right up until October. So this is a much nicer call, being confident that we're going to take out those highs. Somewhat confident. Let's take a look at the NASDAQ, which has been outperforming the Dow. The January highs have been taken out several times, with a higher high in March 1st and another higher high on June 21st, and most recently another higher high just 2 days ago when we hit 79.33. Today we're showing some weakness. We're kind of forming, if you like, an engulfing candle, although the body of the previous day is practically non-existent, more or less a doji. So I wouldn't really get too upset about this. I don't really consider it much of an engulfing unless it's engulfing a big body. So while it's bearish, it's not all that bearish. Maybe we'll have a little weakness, but I suspect the NASDAQ too will continue to make new highs along with the Dow. We're in a bull market as far as I can see, unless there's an exogenous event that comes along that changes things. Let's take a look at the SPX. Where are you, SPX? The S&P 500 is also in a bull run, very strong since June 28th, synonymous with the Dow's run. It still hasn't taken out the January 26th highs of 28.72. We're at 28.31, so we're very close. We're within striking distance. Again, just like the NASDAQ, we have a big red candle. It's not an engulfing candle, but it's still a nice big red candle compared to the doji we had yesterday. So we do have a dichotomy existing, a little bit of a dichotomy in the markets this morning, with the Dow up a little, the NASDAQ and the S&P down a little. Let's check the Dow one more time, see if it's changed any. It's still up around 33 points, not bad. Geron, we looked at yesterday when it made a very nice move, a little pop. It's giving back 7 cents out of 2% off that move. To be expected. It seems in biotech every rally is faded. Although this is looking like it's going to be an inside day, one that we can consider just noise. Geron is really a binary play on its drug, imetelstat, which is licensed to Johnson & Johnson. And Janssen is conducting two parallel trials for acute forms of leukemia, MF, MDS, whatever they stand for. But there's going to be a continuation decision by the end of the third quarter. And that continuation decision is what's going to make or break Geron stock. This is a one-horse pony, Geron. It's a bet on a metal stat. So if J&J continues with the trials, then I expect we will get a nice sustained move up, probably take out the highs of March. And on the other hand, a decision by Janssen to discontinue would have deleterious effects on Geron and Dr. J's pocketbook. So let's hope that doesn't happen. All right, you guys and girls, thanks for bearing with me today. We'll get back to you tomorrow for more Dow Jones talk, and look for special Dr. J's coming up. I'm going to be talking about such subjects as Parkinson's disease, chess, sports, all kinds of things. So keep that in mind. Let me just go back to stop screen sharing. And I do want to wish everyone a terrific day, a terrific weekend. And I'm hoping that we avoid rain this weekend. Today is a beautiful day in Long Island. Great day for fishing, great day for boating, great day for swimming, great day for the ocean, great day for backyard work. Just have a great day. Hasta luego, shalom, sayonara, all those good things. See you all tomorrow. Bye.